Hey guys, so today we're going to be testing this kit from Candy Coat. I actually didn't realize that Candy Coat had multiple different kits. So this is their Build-A-Nail one, which is like a builder gel in a bottle. So I'm assuming it's similar to the one from the gel bottle, but that would just be my guess. I know I wasn't super impressed with the all-in-one gel colors, but these kits are so cute and I'm honestly a sucker for this packaging. Like, I just can't get over it. So I ordered this kit, the dip nail kit, and also just the plain acrylic kit. So we have a bunch to try. So I'm gonna open this up and see what we get in this specific one. I feel like opening up this package is like Christmas. There's just so much fun stuff in it. So we'll just like dump it all out. Ooh. Okay. So these little glitter hearts are honestly gonna probably get everywhere. I'm gonna be finding them all over my house. So I think these little ball things are just decorative. So what we actually get in this is the Build-A-Nail Builder Gel. This is a cuticle glaze, a super shiny no wipe top coat, a base coat, another Build-A-Nail. I wonder if there are different colors. I don't know. We'll have to see. And then we get a gel polish as well, which I am super excited to try because I did say I wanted to try their regular polishes or gels, whatever, when I tried the all-in-one brush on ones. So I'm super excited to also get one of the colors. It's a pretty color too. It's blue. It can match my hair right now. Get a file. This seems like a pretty cheap basic file. A cuticle thing. Another cuticle thing so you can just like scrape off like that. We'll do that. And then the forms. Oh, and one came off because it got stuck to everything. I was going to say there's only 10, so you cannot mess up. And then the rest of this is just decorative, sticker, actual candy. So with our Cuticle Tool, I'm sorry if the lighting is changing a lot. I'm trying to use natural light just because I really like using natural light for videos. I feel like it ends up looking so much better. And then you go around with this and it takes off this little area. See that? I always get like low-key scared to use these though. I'm always scared I'm gonna start taking off like layers of my nail. I didn't think I even had this much cuticle to begin with to come off. But okay. Okay, so that actually took off a ton. Just gonna rough up the nails a tiny bit. This does not come with a dehydrator or anything, so that will be something you're gonna need, in my opinion anyway. If you want them to last longer than, you know, like a day. Just using my Ombre dehydrator as usual. I don't believe any instructions came in this on the box. Maybe there is some on the website, but none came like with the actual kit. And then now for the base coat, I'm going to be using this cute pink LED light again. Okay, so this seems like a pretty thick base coat. All right, now into the light. I'm really curious to see if the builder gels are different colors. Sort of hot. It doesn't say, so let's see. Considering there's like a little rainbow on the bottle, I'm thinking, so wouldn't that be cool if they were colored builder gels? So this one first. This one is definitely just a clear. And this one, oh, is a really pretty pink. Okay, I can get down with that. So first we need to put on the forms. I'm really surprised you only get like 10. I know obviously you only need 10 for a full set. However, I would say most people, aka definitely me, would mess up at least one while trying to get it on, you know? Not to call anyone out. Okay, these are interesting. I know that I 100% always at least mess one up. Luckily, I am only doing 5 nails, but if I was doing 10, I'd be a little nervous to be honest. These are pretty short forms as well. They seem like they're designed to be really curved too. Like they're gonna look really pinched. You know, actually, I think it's fitting pretty well so far. Now, as long as it stays, let's start with the pink. All right, and this stuff is super, super thick. I think this seems even thicker than the gel bottle one. All right, and as far as this actual nail goes, let's take it all the way up here. I won't make these ridiculously long, but you guys know I can't do a short nail. Okay, so I'm just going to cure this really quick as our base. I actually really like how thick this is because I know sometimes I can definitely get a little messy and it'll run on me a little bit. Not really having that problem with this one though. Now I do need to build it up though. Since it is a bit thicker, I'm hoping that it'll actually be a lot easier. The only other one I can obviously compare this to is the gel bottle one and their builder in a bottle. But I would say right off the bat, I'm having an easier time with this one so far. Gel is one of the harder mediums to work with in my opinion. Okay, so there's that. It is running a bit. I'm gonna just try to clean that up a tiny bit before I cure it. Okay, time to cure this one. Once your base is on and solid, you can really remove the form just carefully. You don't need to keep working on the base. In fact, I find if you keep working on the base, it can make it a lot easier to make it too thick. So here is this. It actually feels pretty sturdy so far. Obviously, it is a little thin right now and it needs to be shaped a little better, but I think one more layer and it'll actually be pretty good. So let's get on that. And one last cure. All right, so here is this nail for the most part. Since this one is pretty short, I think it'll be fine and it feels pretty strong. So I want to try using the clear. Okay, I got it on this nail. Let's try this one now. It's always hard filming this because I always want to point it downwards, but then you guys can't see. So I'm gonna just take a nice glob. Let's just paint over this to just like establish like a quick little base before I start building it up. I know that you are technically supposed to do like the whole back and forth thing, but honestly with these ones in a bottle like this, it is sometimes easier to just, you know, brush it on. All right, then base into the light. Ouch. Oof. Heat spike on that. Ouch. Kind of hard to see the base on there, but it is. Now we can actually just start trying to build up the nail. And do some thicker globs. If you find it's really not leveling out to the shape you want, you can hold it upside down and that way it'll pull to the center opposed to sliding down the sides, and then you can just cure it like that as well. Okay, and then you know what? I want to see if we can make these little hearts useful, so I'm gonna see if I can just stick a couple on. These are really thick, like little confettis, so I'm not totally sure this will work great, but I would really love if it did. At this point, I'm going to remove the form so I can see a bit better. There we go. Now let's see if we can encapsulate this. Okay, and I'm just gonna hold that upside down because it is pooling a bit. I think the pink is a little thicker than the clear, probably because it has the color in it. This actually does seem like really, really clear though, and I'm not getting a lot of air bubbles, which is really nice. Okay, this one's a tad bit more lumpy, I think because of the hearts, but that's okay. So far so good. This is actually super easy to use. I almost think maybe easier than the builder in a bottle. I don't know what it is about this one. I think it's because it is a tad bit thicker. it is making it so that it is not running as much and the sides aren't a complete mess like usual. So let's try for a little, maybe a little ombre action here. So we got the pink. Just gonna do a nice little base. I really like this pink too. It's like a really natural but still pastel looking pink. I know you guys hate the way I describe things. Stay in school. I always like to try to really build up where the actual like extended part is going first. Alright, I'm gonna do some more of this pink. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do an ombre with this. You know what? No, actually, I think I'm getting it. Then I'm gonna just finish this one off with the clear. This is actually going super, super quick. I'm actually really surprised. A lot quicker than I thought it would go. I guess that's what happens when you don't do super long nails. I feel like I've grown to actually like these shorter ones a bit more though. I love removing forms. I get that same like satisfaction that I get with polygel. Just needs one more little coat. Okay, and there is that nail. So we got these 3. I am going to finish off these 2 and then we can get into shaping. I am so excited to try this gel and I'm so excited to have some more colors. I feel like I'm always getting kits and I have stuff to build nails, but I never have like just gel polishes. So I'm super excited about this. So let me finish these off and then we will get to some funner stuff and decorating and everything like that. Okay, see, you know what? Imagine if I was doing like an entire set, I would be struggling now, you know? I think they should send 11. Okay, so here the nails are right now. So pretty much finished with the actual building part. Now I'm just going to wipe them down with rubbing alcohol really quick because it is sticky. This will make your life a lot easier filing. And hopefully this will dry up so my background is pretty again. I have lately not been using my electric file as much. I've been actually enjoying hand filing. I feel like I have gotten a better sense of shape and stuff with hand filing, and I feel like I know what to do a little bit more now. And I've been really like focusing on shaping like this, and this has done wonders for me with how the nail is. So I'm going to just hand file these. Gel is usually pretty easy to file, so I'm just going to put this down to catch the dust. I don't know what grit this is, but it is definitely not 100, which will actually shape and stuff. This will take you forever. This seems like one you can just get at like Walmart that's like for regular people who are just, you know, filing their natural nails. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this one that's 100 grit that has who knows what on it. And I'm just going to file. Okay, so there those are. I'm just going to give them a quick wipe alcohol so we can get on with the gel polish. Okay, so I'm going to leave the 2 with the hearts in it, and those actually worked really well. Even though they're thick, I'm going to keep these, what's left in the box, so I can use them in the future because they're really pretty. So let's use this blue now. I had only tried the all-in-one gel polishes, so I am super excited to try these actually. Some of you in the comments said that these ones weren't any better with like the opacity and stuff, so I'm curious to see. It's looking good to me so far. So here's the nail. Wow, okay. I really like this gel polish so far. Apparently they have updated the formula in the all-in-one gel pens, but I don't want to buy another set to try because those weren't cheap, and I don't want just like a bunch of them that I'm not going to use, or like what if the formula isn't much better, you know? I wonder if the color that you get in each kit is random or not, or if every, I don't know, builder gel kit comes with blue and other kits maybe come with other colors, or if they just randomly throw one in the box. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do one more thin coat on these ones. This one seems good. Okay, so I have those painted. Now I'm going to use the super shiny top coat on these two, but then I'm going to use a different top coat on these ones because I want to use this powder and I don't want to mess up this brand new top coat with powder residue. I love doing this and seeing like the shine of the glitter come out. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this other top coat that I have for these nails and just do a really thin layer of that so that we can put the powder on top. I thought that this powder would be good since there's like a blue shift on these pink hearts. So I figured blue with the nails, and then this has like almost like a pink shift, maybe a little bit orangey like the hearts. So I think it'll be absolutely perfect. Okay, and then I'm actually just gonna use my finger to put this on. You definitely don't need like a brush or one of those eyeshadow sponges to put this powder on. Your finger works as long as it's clean. Now I'm just top coating this one last time. And last time in the light. Alright, and here these are. I'm gonna go wash off the powder and stuff. So here these are. We have two final steps. First is this cuticle glaze. It smells really good. It almost smells like strawberries. I like it. So here are the nails. I want to try to get a better light for the shifting on the ones with the powder. Can't really see in this light. I'll try to get another angle and stuff. But yeah, here these are. I actually really like this kit. I went back and it is 35 pounds, which comes to about $42 right now as of filming this anyway. I actually really think that this is worth it. The fact that you get two builder gels, a gel polish, the cuticle oil, the top coat, the base coat, you know, a couple forms, OK file, the little cuticle stuff. I actually think that it's a really good deal. Overall, I feel like this stuff was pretty good quality and it was really easy to work with. I really love this clear. It is super clear, which sometimes you can get a lot of bubbles with stuff like this, especially if you're moving it around a lot, like the brush, kind of like I was. But I really, really like it, especially with all of the packaging and stuff. It's totally like a experience and not necessarily just like the kit. I want to see, I didn't try it last time. I want to try this. It's like really hard. I don't even, let's see. I think it's bubblegum or it's bubblegum flavored candy. I can't decide. Okay, you know, wouldn't actually recommend the actual candy that comes in it, but you know, worth a try. So as I said, I did get the acrylic and the dip powder kit. So do let me know which one of those you want to see next. But that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this a like because it helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. But other than that, I will hopefully see you next time. Bye!